football gray serves as the foundation for this color scheme, which combines delicate shades of powder blue, vapor green, racing blue, and white to create a surreal scene where the sea and sky meet. Visually expressing the Luka 4's purpose as a navigator, the shoe's organic lines represent speed and flexibility. The side panel's sleek designs are designed to be more than simply basketball shoes, they are a nautical device that directs the player's senses and intuition. They also symbolize Luka's on-court motions and his unpredictable yet always confident performance. The bright orange circle on the bottom of the sole and the vapor green accents on the midsole, in particular, bring energy to the overall pale tone and establish a visual rhythm. The characteristic mark and emblem on the tongue and heel discreetly declare that this is Luka Doncic's hallmark model, while the upper is composed of a blend of synthetic and mesh fabrics to guarantee breathability and lightweight.